How to write a powerful resume, part 2. In the previous video, you were asked the first 3 questions on the Write a Powerful Resume quiz. If you have not done them, please go back and do it. With so many people competing with you for the better jobs, you must have a powerful resume to use. Alright, we'll continue with the quiz. Question number 4. How many different resumes should you have? A, just one. B, one resume for each unique type of job for which you're applying. C, 4. Now, the answer typically could be either A or B. It really depends on your situation. Yes, you can get away with just one resume if you're going after just a specific industry and you're selling the same set of skills to the same types of employers, then yes, one resume can work fine for you. Otherwise, if you're going after more than one type of employer in different types of industry, then it would make sense to have more than one type of resume so that only relevant information is put on each resume. Question number 5. How long will the typical employer recruiter spend on each resume he or she looks at? A, 30 seconds to 1 minute. B, as long as it takes to read the entire resume thoroughly. C, until they find a reason to put it down and go to the next. Now, a lot of people will pick A, 30 seconds to 1 minute, probably only because they've heard it many, many times. Well, it's not true. Think about it. You're an employer or a manager, and you put an ad in the paper and you get anywhere between 200 to 300 resumes. Or if you're in a larger city, over 1,000 resumes come in for it. Can you really afford to spend anywhere from 30 seconds to 1 minute for every piece of paper that comes in? No. What you're going to be doing is you'll have 2 piles. One for maybe, which you'll read a little bit deeper, and B for not a chance, and you'll fire it in there. So they're going to take a look at your resume. As soon as it falls into one of those 2 categories, they can drop it and move on. So your job is to make sure that you have nothing on your resume that immediately dumps you into that discard pile. Number 6. What do you need to know to write your resume? A, yourself. B, yourself and the type of work you're applying for. Or C, which came first, the chicken or the egg? Obviously, we can eliminate number C, and it's going to be the best choice is going to be B, yourself and the type of work you're looking for. Because you look at this way, in that if I don't know what I'm selling, it's going to be really hard to come up with the marketing materials that work for. If I don't know who I'm selling to, which in each case is who you're applying for, what do you put on your resume? So you really need to know what it is that you're offering and who you're offering it to come up with a decent resume. We'll continue with the quiz on the next video. In the meantime, please check out findajobfast.com.